Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat it's not working on your country. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat it's not working on your country, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of WeChat and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. We'll search about WeChat. If you will find here updating this blue sign, you can click to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.